Hey everybody, welcome to episode 24 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect,
ambition,
tenacity,
loyalty,
trustworthiness,
and empathy.
I'm so sorry, we did not do a science video or a craft video last week on Thursday. We did a silly video instead. I didn't put it through to your teachers because, you know, it was just a silly video, but if you search the Rattle Together page on YouTube, you will find it. It is very, very silly. Right, Jane? We had a lot of fun making it, and I think you'll have a lot of fun watching it. All right, so that's that. So our riddle Wednesday last week was, what do lazy dogs like to do for fun? What's their favorite thing to do? Have you thought of it? Chew on bones. Ready? Chase parked cars. You don't get it? What do parked cars do? Do they move? They just sit there. So, to chase a parked car, do you have to move? No. You just lay down next to the car. Now, do you get it? Okay. And our new riddle for tomorrow is, why do lions eat raw meat? So be thinking about that one for tomorrow. Why do lions eat raw meat?
Because it's their territory.
Be thinking about it for tomorrow. All right, so let's get started. Today we are going to grow some crystals. This is a project that we're going to have to check on tomorrow. It's going to take all night to do, but we're going to get it all set up today. So if you have grown-ups' permission to join in, you will need a glass jar. Any glass jar will do, like a jelly jar that's been washed out, whatever. This is just what I have in my office. I have 2 vases, and I'm going to let Jane pick one, and I'll pick one. Or I'll use the other. So, a glass jar. Some rocks or pebbles, or even a little bit of sand, they said, or it says in the materials list. Hot water. So hot water from the tap. If your tap doesn't get hot, have a grown-up microwave it for you for 45 seconds. A measuring cup. I'm going with half a cup today. You can go with a cup. Doesn't matter. Epsom salt. So Epsom salt you can get at the grocery store. I ordered this from Target because I'm not leaving my house lately to go to stores if I don't have to. And I was able to just order it. Came to me in the mail. And food coloring if you want food coloring. Alright, so that's what you need. Now I'm going to tilt the camera down so that we can get started. You can all see Jane. Alright, I'm getting on the floor. Okay, so we've got our ingredients, and I'm going to be following the instructions that are next to me. So you're going to have to bear with me, like if I peek over once in a while, that's what I'm doing. So our first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use a 1-to-1 ratio. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? 1-to-1. That means, do you have an idea?
No.
That means whatever we have of one thing, we need the same amount of the other thing. So we're going to use a half a cup of Epsom salt. If we're using a half a cup of Epsom salt, we're also using a half a cup of the hot water. Easy peasy? Lemon squeezy. What? Alright, so we are going to take a half a cup of salt and put it in our jars, in our glass jars. So I gotta open this. I haven't even opened this yet. Okay. Jane, would you like to measure out a half a cup? Oh, I forgot. We're going to need a spoon also. Look, I have a real spoon. Alright, you having trouble? Try not to make a giant mess everywhere. Yeah, good job. Okay, so she's got a half a cup, and she's going to pour it in. Yep, pour it right in. Do you want to do, nope, don't do water yet. If we do water, then we'll wet this, and it won't work. Do we want to do more than that, or just half a cup in there?
More.
So we'll do another half a cup then. So we're going to do a full cup in this one. We'll only do a half a cup in this one though. So go ahead and do another half a cup. Hopefully we have enough hot water. Because I grabbed the water before. Good. That's good. Put it right in. Okay. And then do a half a cup for this one. Which jar do you want to be yours? The tall one. Oh no. Alright, go ahead. Alright, so now we've got our 1 cup of Epsom salt here and a half a cup here. So, we're going to make sure we add the same amount of water to each one that we added. So we've got our warm water, or our hot water. I hope that this is long enough to stir. It's probably not. No, it is. It'll be fine. So we're going to do like this, because this is the way we're doing it. Here's our water. I'm going to pour it in 1 cup, or 1/2 a cup, and another half a cup. Now, usually I would use a liquid measuring cup for this, but I don't have one here. So I'm just using what I've got. There's a full cup of water in there. Jane, why don't you, oh, you can add a dash of food coloring while I do. We only have those colors left.
I'll make
put
some
half a cup of the warm water
I'm going to make blue and green.
in here. I'm going to put a smidge more because that wasn't exact. Okay, and then you're going to put both. And then you're going to stir for 1 to 2 minutes until it dissolves. So, let me see what I got. I only have 1 spoon, so do I have something else I can stir with? A popsicle stick. I'm going to stir with the popsicle stick. Here you go. Start stirring. I'm putting blue in mine. And I'm going to stir. Oh, we forgot to set the timer. Let me set the timer.
I kind of want a little bit more blue.
Hey Siri. Oh, it's not working. Okay. Alright, we'll do it this way. Come on.
I kind of want more blue.
Timer for 1 minute. Jane, just stir, man. You gotta be stirring. Yours might not work out so well if you're not stirring it. Remember, we gotta follow directions as well as we can in order to get the results we want. So, in order to dissolve the salt, we're stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring, stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. So, you're getting food coloring on yourself, baby girl. So you want to get as much of it dissolved as possible. We're almost done. We've done 1 minute. We've got 1 minute more to go. This popsicle stick is hard to stir with.
This spoon is hard to stir with.
Really? That's funny. You'd think a spoon would be easier to stir with than a popsicle stick.
I think a popsicle stick would
Keep
be
stirring.
easier.
Get it nice and get it as dissolved as you can. So it's okay if there's salt left on the bottom. You want to get as much of it dissolved as possible.
I think that's as much.
Keep stirring, kid. The timer did not go off yet. Keep it going. Keep it going. Move, 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 move. I'm going to scroll down and look at what the next step's going to be. Oh, okay. So the next step is going to be to put the pebbles or a little bit of sand into the bottom of your... Oh, timer's up. Okay. So you can stop stirring. You can just put it in that bowl. All right, so we are going to, Jane, you can pick your pebbles or your pebble. Just drop that in there. Nope. So it says that the reason that you do that is because crystals need something to grow on. And if there's an impurity in the water, something like sand or a rock, it'll be able to grow on that. It'll have a place to adhere and grow from. All right, now the next 2 steps, we're going to put one of them in the freezer. You're supposed to put them both in, put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. You set a timer for 10 minutes, then you take it out of the freezer and you put it in the fridge and you leave it there overnight. And then we'll check on it tomorrow and it should be crystals starting to form or having formed. Crystals should have formed. You know, all good. Let me let me straighten this out so that we can, there we go. All right, so we're going to put these in the freezer for 10 minutes. If this one doesn't fit in the freezer, we'll put it in the fridge and see what happens. If it's with this one being in the fridge the whole time and this one only being in the freezer for 10 minutes and then the fridge the rest of the time. All right, so that's that. That's the whole thing for today. And we will check in on those crystals tomorrow. I really want to see photos and videos of your stuff. I've loved all of the photos and videos that have been sent to me. If I have permission to share them, please let me know. If you shared something with me and I have permission to post it on Rattle Together on our Facebook page, please let me know because I think the whole world would love to see all that stuff. All right? You can email me your photos and videos and questions and everything at rburns, R-B-U-R-N-S, @KUSD.org. You can find us on Facebook by typing Rattle Together into the search bar, 2 words, or fb.me/Rattle Together, RATTLE, to get her, TOGETHER. And you can message me there by clicking the little message link, or m.me/Rattle Together, period, RATTLE, to get her, TOGETHER, period. Don't forget to click that little like button and subscribe and share it with all your friends. I hope that you are all doing well. We miss you and we love you. Mwah! I'm going to say bye.